So today, guys, we learn iframe and GitHub command. Okay, like git command we can say. So before we start iframe, do you know what is iframe is?
Can you repeat?
Iframe.
No.
Okay. So let me share one screen to you. So I just open one website here, W3 High School. Can you see this website?
Yes.
Yeah, so you can see there is one website. Inside this website, you can see another some pages is there like this. So you can say page inside page. It's called iframe. Okay. So if I go to search here, now see here, I just click here iframe here. So actually this is a block. So basic idea is like you have one page. Inside one page there is another page. So if you see here, I have some code here for iframe. So before you have iframe to automate, you cannot directly automate. First of all, to understand that you cannot automate directly by grabbing the locator if there is an iframe. For iframe, you need to have some different kind of steps. Like for example, first you need to install iframe here. Can you see? As of now, I don't have iframe right now, so that's why it's showing me the red line. Okay, so I take another example here. W3 school only. I'll take this example. So first I need to install iframe. So what I'm going to install iframe now. So just write on here, install iframe in Cypress. Okay, so I get this one, working with iframes in Cypress. This is a block. You can refer this one also for more information. Okay, so first we need to install the iframe. Okay, so just go here, Cypress iframe. You can see here. Copy this one, npmi Cypress iframe. Go to your code and go to a terminal here. Just paste it here, hit enter. Now there is no error. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now see, you can see. Now I have iframe now. I also written here import Cypress iframe. Okay. Now see what happened. When you open the Google w3school.com website. Okay, and in the search box, when you type iframe and enter it, okay, so you'll get one iframe here. So there is one command Only you need to understand three command in iframe. First one, you need to first install iframe. Then you need to import iframe here. Write down import here, and you need to write on cy.frame loaded. Can you see frame loaded?
Yeah.
This one you need to write on. This is your uh, iframe, like you are going to rotate the iframe, and then in the next step you have to write on cy.iframe. There is no need to write cy to get here in iframe in case of iframe. Okay, so let me run this one so you will get more idea what I am doing. Iframe one dot. I'll just go to this website. Iframe one. First is open the website here. The next step is in the search box is typing the iframe. I'll do one thing. Okay, timeout errors. So what I'll do, I'll just keep it one IT block only. Okay, let me run another one. Uh, I'm taking the another example here. Same. I'll use here only one block. Mm-hmm. Gopi, Pramila.
Yes.
See, there is one website by the name of Rahul Shetty. Okay, so in that website you can see one web page here. Right now, this one is the iframe example. This can you see this one? This website.
Yes.
Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just automate this one because there is one website here. Inside this website, there's another website here. Pages is there. Okay, so it's an example of iframe example here. So if you want to click this one, this buttons, home, courses, then what happen? See, first open this website here. Okay, and you need to write on this CY dot frame loaded. If I say here, this one is CY dot frame loaded. Can you see frame loaded? So what is there frame loaded? If you see now, inside this frame loaded, I have written courses iframe. Can you see this courses iframe?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So see, go in this iframe block, just right click and search for the ID for iframe. Inspect it, and what I'll do, I'll just copy this here courses iframe, and I just go here paste it here. Can you see one of them? I got it. One of one I got it, and this one, if you see carefully, see you can get courses iframe. So this is my iframe, and this is the ID of my iframe. It means that before you automating any iframe, you need to load it that ID. Got it? So every iframe there is having one class, there is own class or ID. You need to first grab that one. Okay. So this one is the courses iframe ID for this iframe. If you see here, or you can You can also understand like this. It's a kind of parent ID of this iframe. Okay, so like whenever you are automating any child element, also you need first the parent one, correct? So same as in iframe, like you can understand that it's a parent one, like for this one. If you just hover it, you can see this. It's selected all the pages in the iframe, or you can also say there's a iframe ID. And how you know that it's a iframe or not? So when you right click and open it, you will get this tag iframe. Can you see this tag?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
for iframe, we cannot do automatic like which we have done as of now. This was some different steps you need to take. Okay. So first, load this iframe ID here by the name of courses name. Clear?
So that tag would be always there for all the pages. That
Yeah, for
iframe tag.
iframe only. For iframe only. This one is a starting and ending point. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
if you
actually, this iframe is like the child side inside.
exactly. Web page contain another web page. Like this is a web page. It has
Like
is it
the like some pages have ads. Like
yeah. Main there is one page they inscribe the another page. Like this main page having home, practice, login, etc. If you see go down, you can see this also it has home
Oh,
courses like this.
yeah.
Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Also it has a scroll down button like this. So this is iframe. So if you find like this page, you just go and right click. You can see iframe ID or not is there. Clear?
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah. Now what happened? Next step is what? Now I loaded this one. Okay. And I will scroll to bottom. Can you see?
yeah,
It means what? It
in the
means
diaphragm.
yeah,
Okay.
like now you loaded in and you need to go to down here. So you go down here like this. This one, not this page, this one. You go down like this. Next page is what? Now what we do in Cypress, like when we are not automating the iframe, we use cy.get, correct?
Yeah.
Here you need to write down cy.iframe. Then you need to find some element like you find for child type, use find HRA practice project, then use EQ, click force. Okay. And again, if you want to find some type something, you can also write on cy.iframe dot find name type like this. So this is the four step you need to follow. First, need to install iframe, then import the iframe here, then load that iframe, then use iframe for your command. Got it? Now I'm running is so I'm getting one error here. So let's solve that error. See, I'm getting an error. This scroll to bottom. Can you see?
Yes.
Make sure you are targeting the correct element or use ensure inscrutable false to the disable like this. So what I'll do if I don't write this one, save all. Okay. Now see, I'm getting this error here. So basically, first it need to go down here and click some page here, like and it will click that one. So if I'm getting error here, that timeout error. I expect to find element 3 but never found it. This one. Okay, so let me check here the code once again. First, I have to check it out. This is unique or not. Like if it's not unique, let me check. Copy this one. This one is one of two I'm getting here. Can you see? At this project. So I use here EQ1. Okay. Now in this next one is I go to name here. This one also three I'm getting here. Okay, only one is there. Can you see one? Name one of, so no need to write here EQ3. Before it was EQ3, right now no need to write on EQ3. Now see here what happened. I'll share you this one code also. You can also try at your end. It's not so tricky, it's very simple. First load, use command. Now can you see this is run now? See whatever I wanna, I got the result here. See register, this page get open, register page. I also write down my name here. Can you see?
Yes.
Yeah. So it's very easy. Only you need to have some information how to automate this one. So I just share to you this code. You can also use your name instead of mine.
So everything under that child page would come. We would use cy.iframe.
Yeah. It's a way to write for iframe.
Okay, then outside that we can then again use cy.get
No,
for
there's
the
no
main.
there is no need to use gate now.
No, like I'm first automating the child page, then I have to automate the parent page. Then I can use another it and then use cy.get.
You can try that one, but I haven't seen that. We only use iframe and find.
Okay.
You try that one also. I don't think it's work because Siva.get we use in without iframe, because right now we are using iframe. So what happened? So what is the intention of writing this? We are finding this thing inside this iframe.
Hmm.
We are finding this name locator inside this iframe. So we use find here. The use of find.
Yeah.
Yeah, like if you are using without iframe, so we write on Siva.get. This is a parent one, and you're finding this child locator using find method. So I don't think that might be, but I haven't tried that one. You also try. Can you use get or not? Let me know then.
So here we are using cy.iframe, then finding that locator.
Exactly, because iframe is another case, no. First we need to load that iframe. Once we load, then we are using iframe, and then inside the iframe we're finding some locators and doing the operation like click and whatever you want.
Yeah. In yesterday's all scenarios, we used find just to find some child locators. No?
Yeah, that one also we
It's
use.
not like that.
No, it is not like that. Find only used for iframe. Find will also followed by get.
Okay.
Like whenever you find there's something inside is there the main parent. Suppose for example you have one box. Inside box you have some coins and you have to grab those coins. So you need to first the location for the box. Once you get the location, then you go to inside and finding out the coins. Same as here, like CY dot gate or CY iframe is this is a box that contains some like locations elements. So you need to have find for that one, and you cannot write CY dot find directly.
Hmm.
clear or
Also,
having this dot go?
also, can there be two iframes in a single website?
Yeah, you can see. Yeah, there are many iframe in single website, but every iframe having different ID.
Oh, yeah, CY iframe loaded. We have to change there now.
Exactly, exactly.
Okay.
You try this one, you will get more idea. I'm sharing to you. Let me know. Femna, you have a doubt?
No,
It's clear. It's very easy.
like no, I just had a doubt that whether instead of find we can use get.
Okay,
So,
okay. Okay, iframe F. Okay, I'm sharing a link again that last line. Try at your end. Let me know. First, you need to install iframe. Okay, I'll share you the command to install iframe here. See, this is the command. Install this command npm I import it. Can anyone share me your screen so that I can know that what you're doing? I stop sharing. Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, Gopi.
Yeah, it's showing like this for Montreal.
Yeah, yeah. You can see the line number 2. There is no line, correct?
Uh,
It means that it's stalled now.
okay.
Got it? Yeah. You're on mute, I think, Gopi. So,
Oh, yeah.
yeah, yeah.
So
So in this way, you can also use what your doubt now. That can we use get or not? Correct.
yeah.
Or try get instead of find and see what happens. Or remove the iframe and put get there. So what type of error you're facing, so you can check it out.
So like cy.iframe, not cy.get in that
Yeah,
format.
yeah. You can do as you what you want. Like you have code, so you can also cannot find properties of undefined reading get. Can you see?
Yeah.
Or else remove cy only put get after iframe. Remove cy. Yeah. Remove dot. Yeah. Dot get. Now paste save it and run it.
Yes.
We have
No,
four of them.
It's working fine.
no. Actually, when I think went to parent page.
Mm-hmm.
We have four index in this name. In this page.
It's not working, correct?
It's working, but went to the parent page. I think it's typed here.
Where is type? Where is the type?
Uh, I saw it here. Yeah.
Outside the iframe, it comes.
What's show me? Where is the type? Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. The type
This.
here, correct?
Yeah.
So it's not inside the iframe.
Yeah.
I
You got
think
it?
there may be index or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Show me the code. What you done?
Just.
See, you didn't get no. So yeah, in this case, what happened? Get means what they're taking that hash name of that without like outside the iframe.
Mm.
Yeah. So whenever you want to have something inside the iframe, then you need to use find only. If you use get, then you can go outside the iframe. Remember this thing. Okay, this is also important question if you want to grab that. What happen if you use get in the iframe? What you will get the result? It is clear.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now we have 15 10 minutes left. So what we'll learn today? The git command. What is the git? So guys, do you have a GitHub account?
We have a big bucket.
Big bucket, but that's companies.
Yeah.
Okay, but you can also try using Git. So you can also like
Yeah.
have some knowledge of Git. Okay, so I just showcase you the command, and on Monday I'll let you know how to push the code, how to clone the code, how to give comment.
Yeah.
So today I just give the basic idea of Git. What is Git and GitHub. So let me 1 second. Notepad is guys. I'm sharing. Stop sharing. Now see guys, there is one Git here and one is GitHub. Okay, so what is git? Like, for example, if you want to run some command, so you can use git command, okay, to interact with this GitHub. And what is GitHub? GitHub is nothing but, it's a kind of repositories, so whatever coding you have, you can just save it here. And if you want, for example, you have suppose some code in your GitHub, and you created one account in GitHub, and you have one repository of your code, like suppose ABC something, just now you have done iframe, so I have done a iframe code. Okay, iframe code you have. Okay, now suppose this is one iframe code inside this GitHub repository. Okay, now you have want this repository, you need to have in a local system. Right now it is in remote. Okay, now you want this one in your local machine. So what you will do, you just write out here using git command, git clone any repository. Suppose your repository name is like something abc iframe.git, something like this. Okay, so you just copy this iframe add.git and paste it here, git clone, and hit enter. So whatever be the code is there in the remote, you will get in the local one. This is one command for clone. Actually what you are doing, you're cloning your repository here. This is one command, git clone, and just put your repository name. Okay, now if we do some changes in your code, okay, and you want that changes should be reflected in the remote one. So what you will do, first you just check it out using your status, git status. Okay, so once you click the git status, you will get the idea, like what is there, inside. See if just I'll just showcase you if I'm having it or not, so that you can get clear picture. If source control download git, I don't have git. Let me check here at my end. Okay, tomorrow we'll see this one. I'll set up that one for you. You just understand like what we are doing. There's some command, git status means to check it out where we are at, and there's one command like git branch. So you can also create the branch, like for to create branch, to create a branch. Actually what happened, like for example, when you clone something, once you clone, and when you see the branch, so you will get master branch, that you are in master branch. Okay, now you cannot work on master branch, correct? You need to have your own branch. So for in that case, you can create your new branch. So there's one code for creating the new branch. That on git checkout hyphen b, and just say that a branch name like branch one, something like that. Hit enter. When you see the git status, or just write on git branch, so you are now branch one. Now whenever you are working on using git, no need to write, no need to use or have branch switch in your branch, then only you work. Don't use master branch. Okay, so now you can create as many as branch you want. So like for example, if you want to have second branch, you can just write on git checkout the branch 2. Now once you just check it out git branch, you will see two branches. Git branch, you will see two branches, branch 1 and branch 2. This will branch 2. Now you have to switch to branch 2. You just write on git check it out. Only don't use minus b now, because already created a branch. You just need to check it out. And now right now you are in branch. Okay, suppose if you want to switch to branch 1, just write on git check out branch 1, like this. Now check it out, git branch, in branch you are, so you can see here you are in branch 01. So like this you can do your coding. You using git command, you can just do changes in your repository, and suppose whatever changes you have done now, so you need to add that code, that changes, so you just set on git add. Dot means all the changes it added here. Then after one, there is one. There is a step. First, I'm just going fast. You will get confused here. See, first clone the repo. Second, create the branch. Third, whatever you have done the changes, add the changes using this command add dot. Fourth, commit the changes using command. Fifth, push the code. Okay, this is a step. Clone the repo, create the branch. Whatever you have seen now, this was creating the branch only. Second one, add whatever changes you have done, then commit it and then push the code. Hello Gopi and Sainath. You getting me or having doubt?
Yeah, from the fourth step and fifth step, what's the difference? Like commit and push.
Yeah, in the commit add, like suppose in your code, like for example, iframe, you have one code. So see, mm, I already have git here. Mm, Using this command git scm, you can install git download for Windows. Actually, already I am having. Don't know why it's not showing to me. I think I don't have it here. Okay, so guys, tomorrow I'll set up that one for you. So you asking me Gopi commit and changes, correct? So like whatever your changes no, first you need to add the changes using this command git add and dot. Dot means whatever changes you can see, it will add it. Okay, and after one you need to commit it. Commit means what? Commit the changes like this one command like git commit hyphen m, write down here what changes you have done, like resolve the conflict or what you have done. So you need to write down like this in the commit box, and once commit then push the code. So you can use git push, and push what, like that code push to a branch abc.git to the branch something like abc or branch 101, like this. You just pushing the code to branch 01. Okay, and once it will review by your manager, then they will merge that into the GitHub repository. So whenever you're doing any changes, no, you need to first add, then you commit, then push this code is there. Clear?
Yeah, we can push the. Okay. After git push is this thing folder name.
Yeah, when you push the code, then it will it will go to the repository, and once they review it, they will merge it.
So every time we do a change to the file that we are working on, then we have to do git add the file.
Exactly.
And
You can also, if you have 10 files, you need to add some one file. So instead of write dot, you can write the file name. So whatever changes you have done, it will add it. Like there's this one, like there is one stage in Git, like stage. Okay, so they are in stage position, stage in, and now once they are stage, then you can commit it and you can push it.
So once we put, can we change again, add some changes?
Pardon?
Once we have pushed the code to the branch,
Yeah.
can we do some changes again?
Yeah, you can do the changes again. It's not like that once you push, you cannot do changes. Again, you can do changes and again you can push it.
In the same branch itself.
Same branch as well as time you want. Because what happened, once you push, the manager will tell you that you will find some error here, some bug is there, some mistake is there. So again, you can just check it out and again you can just push it. For push, you need to do some changes now. So you remove that mistake, whatever manager is telling you. Then again you will add it, then commit it, then push it. So tomorrow we'll see the practical one. Once I install the Git in my system and already with my system, I'll let you know. Tomorrow you practice on this iframe and also do some research on Git command and GitHub, and try to create one account in Git. So tomorrow it will be easy for you to push the code.
Yeah.
So you can in a Git you can just create one account. You can keep as private or public. It depends on you. Okay. For public means what they can use anyone, and private means only you can use that one, that repository. So tomorrow, if possible, I'll also showcase you how to create the account in GitHub, how to access that one. Okay.
Tomorrow actually is Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah. Sorry. Tomorrow in the sense Monday.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then also the recordings are not been shared.
Pardon?
Recordings.
Yesterday's and
Wednesday
and Thursday recording.
I'm sending daily, na?
No, yesterday's or something. It's not shared.
From Wednesday, it's not getting.
I think Wednesday I have to check it out. 1 second, na?
Yeah, Wednesday and Thursday.
Wednesday and Thursday. Section 14 and 15.
13 I have sent to you,
Yeah. 14 and 15.
1 second, na? I'll just send it today only. Otherwise, I'll forget. Oh, it's only 13, no? Yeah. 13 I have sent to you, 14. Can you see?
Yes. Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, 14 is there.
Yeah, Professor.
Got it? Not today's session I'll send to you, okay, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, so do practice on iframe and git command and create one account. Femina and Gopi account should be there. So we can do the changes and we can work on it, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, then happy weekend. We meet on Monday then, okay? Bye, take care.
Okay.